If speed and looks are what you're looking for, you might just have found it. The Ecotric Vortex Speed Cruiser electric bike is a very affordable electric bike that has the same mighty features as the other high-priced e-bikes. Its smooth 350-watt rear hub motor works hand in hand with the pedal sensor to provide the right amount of boost that you need for every single pedal you make. Your commute will be easier than ever thanks to the removable 36-volt, 9Ah battery of this electric road bike that can travel as much as 30 miles on a single charge. This electric bicycle highlights its high-strength carbon steel frame and Tektro Novella front and rear brakes. Some e-bikes do not go with any accessories at all, but purchasing this electric bike already includes the front and rear fenders, saving your money up to $100.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.